Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of October. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can get monthly. There are different tiers that you can buy, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then one mystery item. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this every month with my own money. So first thing I want to note is the color of the box. Each month you will get a box with a different color on it, and I just think it's really fun to see what color you're going to get. So let's open my box up and see what I got this month. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these sparkle yarns. They are so gorgeous. I think I've only got one other one before in my box, and I think it was actually more like blue purple if I'm remembering right. Lace weight silk. And on the tag it's going to give you the needle and the hook that you would use with it. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love those colors. That's absolutely beautiful. I love that. Oh, my mystery item is little stitch markers with sheep on them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I love them so much. I'm so excited to add these to my stitch marker collection. Oh, those are adorable. Oh, I love them. And then you always get a booklet, and it's going to tell you how the yarn was made, about the yarn and your mystery gift, about the club. Oh, look at all that yarn. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. You're going to get a knitting pattern for the yarn, and you're going to get a crochet pattern for the yarn as well. Oh, all right. I love both of the items I got. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I love them. Oh, I love this box. This is a really good one. I'm so excited. So that is going to be my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of October. And I do want to let you guys know that at the end of this year, I'm doing a collected haul of everything that I got in my boxes and giving like a good review on what you could get if you wanted to, or what you could skip on and things like that. So be on the lookout for that at the end of the year. And I want to thank you guys for being here, and leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and have a great day.